Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the unboxing for my Cocoa Daisy kit that I have here, and this one I got a while ago, but I haven't really had a chance to open it up and go through it, so we're going to do it together. So it comes like always, just like this, and then look at all that green. Oh, this is such a pretty kit. Not something I probably would have picked for myself because it's just like a whole lot of green, but it's actually really pretty. I was a little worried when I saw some of the unboxings. Oh my gosh, look at Simon. Okay, I'm going to take all this stuff out and then we will get into my subscriptions. I have no idea what planner I'm going to use for these. Alright, so I'm going to start with the card. So here's the card here. It's called Tranquility is the kit, and then on the back, like always, is all of the information about how the kit came about. Really pretty. Set that off to the side. I know my camera's up a little higher today than usual, but I wanted to be able to see everything as I lay it out. So this one is not that, not that. So this is the regular planner bundle. I'm going to open this one up first. I've been sitting here looking at all my planners trying to figure out what planner I want to use with this, and I don't know, honestly. Alright, so we're going to start with the washi because it's the first thing that rolled into my hand. And it's got a whole bunch of really pretty leaves all over it. It's very, 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 very green. Throw my trash off to the side. It's very pretty. I'm going to bring the camera in just a little bit, so hold on to your socks in. There we go. That way you can see better and I don't have to get so close to it. Ever since I redesigned my shop, my filming area is everything's like further away than it was before. So if I could just, oh my goodness, get it to come off the roll. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. There we go. So there is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. Leafy greens. Love that. Like I said, now that I'm seeing it up close, I definitely like it more than I did seeing other people's unboxings. So if you're worried and you haven't gotten your kit yet, don't be. It's really actually very pretty. Oh, look at this pen. All right, let's go to the pen next. So I'm also being quiet because I have most of the house is asleep right now, and I'd like to keep it that way. Ooh, it's got some clear crystal gems in the middle. Very pretty. Silver hardware, and then the green leaves all around. It's very pretty. You got your daisy on top. I like that pen. I'm going to open the clip because, you know, love me my Simon. And he is adorable, hugging his little plant. I kill all my plants. I'm going to try really hard this year, though. I have a plan. I have a plan not to kill all the plants that I plant this year. Well, I shouldn't say I kill them. The deer kill them. Because I haven't figured out. When it says deer resistant, that doesn't mean they're not going to eat it. I found that out the hard way. Okay. Here are all of your sticky-backed cutouts here. Oh, I like that to do in the nose. I like that shape. Lots and lots of plants, leaves, arrows, monthly tasks, weekly tasks. I like that they go in different directions. We've got lots and lots and lots of leaves. It's a little moth. One thing I gotta say about Cocoa Daisy is she is not afraid of just going with one color because I feel like this is 99.9% green. It's very pretty. There's all that. Set that off to the side and we'll move on to the notes, which I love this little notes. I'm set on sticky notes for life, but I don't care. I still like getting them. This one says field notes on it. Nice little pack. And then another one of these, which I could never have too many of these because I change them up with the kits. So depending on which ones match the kit, because we don't get them every month, but we have been getting them quite a bit, I'll match it up with whatever it is. And there's some weird film on this one. I'm gonna have to wash it. That's weird. Never seen that before, but this one is white. So this one's gonna go with a lot of different kits. All right, let's move into our planner. So I get the standard size, like traveler's notebook size Daisy Dory. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm not going to go through every page because it's just leaves. Leaves and really pretty quotes all the way through. The one thing I gotta say is that I will be able to match this with a whole lot of leftovers from other kits, because anything that has green in it is going to go with this. So if you've got leftovers from your other kits, this is the time to pull them out and use them. So there's that, which I know you do because I have a whole box full of them. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. I believe this has a film on it, but I won't sit here and mess with it now. But this is a nice little washi card that says grow on top. You can see that. You got your pen refills, got your notepad. Similar to last month, I like the paint swashes. And then we got our stickers that we cut all the time. These always come in this one. Trackers, your days of the week and your numbers. And then this sheet that's always the same every month. Has all of the functionals that I use. Plus I added my own little extras from other stuff. And then the papers. And so on one side you get this real pretty stripe. And then, ooh, this is nice. This is a nice contrast to all the green. I like this black. And then we've got this square pattern. And then, ooh, I love this too. And we got this pattern here. And then on the inside, you got all these leaves. Nice. Okay. Put that off to the side. I won't lose anything. And next I'm going to open the add-on kit. So this is the planner add-on. And I can see from the back that we've got rub-ons in here. We'll pull all this out. And then this, I've been using the one that we got last month or the month before on my planner, and this one is a nice pretty green one with the silver hardware, which goes with your pen. Very nice. Another roll of washi, and this one has gold foiling. I'm not going to take it out because I'm just not. Ooh, look at this. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait to try this out. So I love to do lists, just like most people love to do lists that have planners, and this is going to be awesome for me to use for all kinds of different things. I might even use this as a content planner, just so I can try to stay on top of my Instagram. I like that. That is nice. I like it when she adds new things to the kit. And then we've got more of the die cuts with the sticky back, which, let me move this guy out of the way. And I will put them down really quickly so you can see your weekend banner, more plants. I always use those too. Those I don't. Hopefully I can get, I'm going to have to move some of this stuff so I can get it back in there. Water plants. I should have one that says don't kill the plants. Like that too. It's the little things that make me happy. There. So that is that bunch right there. Very nice. Set that one off to the side. I got my big old bulky sweatshirt on. I pulled it up so you wouldn't have to take a look at my grungy old sweatshirt. Ooh, these are nice. These bookmarks. One for a big one and one for a smaller one. I always print off the ones on the free printables and use those, but this month I'm going to use that instead. And then here's your rub-ons. And then in the little bag, open this up. In the vellum bag, we have Grow Your Own Way. Become more aware of what's really worth your energy. your colorway, stickers. I like plants. That's funny. More days of the week, some flags, numbers, and letters. My favorite little sheet, always love this one. And then your bigger journaling card. I'm not going to read that whole thing, but I'll leave it here for a second. So that is what comes in the add-on kit. That's your planner add-on kit. Next, I'm going to open up my stickers because I only get one sticker kit now, and it is the classic planner sticker kit. And this one fits. It's made for Happy Planner, but you can use it in anything because the boxes are longer, but the width is the same. So as long as you have the same sized 1.5 inch size boxes, these will fit. But here are your full boxes and your little extra smaller ones. More full boxes. All of your clipboards that I never use because I'm never sure what I want to do with them. I always use this, quite a lot of this actually. And then deco. I always use the letters and the washi. This one I don't use too much. And then this one I always use these two. And these are your frosted clear. Let me pull it up, you can see. It's a frosted clear sticker. Semi-clear. There it is. And these are some washi strips at the bottom. So that is the classic planner sticker kit. Now I'm going to move on to, this is the memory keeping kit. And I get the traveler size dory in here as well. I know I'm kind of racing through this, but a little late to the game, so I'm sure you've seen plenty of unboxings already. Here is your washi, which is that nice grid pattern. And one of my other favorite things is the glitter sticker dots. This month's stamps are plants, bloom where you're planted, grow with the flow, and then you can layer these guys together to make really cute little stamped areas. There are more die cuts. Last month, the extra die cuts that came with all the cool sentiments and the funny little snarky bits on them didn't have sticky on the back, which kind of messed me up when I was on the go because I had forgotten to bring my tape, but these do. Just double checking, these do. So these ones are sticky. Okay, so here's all the ones in the journaling, and there's a bunch of numbers in here too. Tons of this stuff. See, I love these for doing my journal pages, which I've been slacking on lately, and I feel really bad because I have a ton of pictures to put out there. But here's everything. I'm kind of spread it out so you can take a peek. There. Love these letters and numbers. I mean numbers and all these little stress less, relax more. These are nice. I like all these. So there's that. This is what comes in your memory keeper kit. I'm just going to keep them all together because they all get used together. Here are some puffy letters, but these are smaller. Your chipboard, which you get every month in this kit. And then this is the big book, which is what I do all of my journaling in. I take both of them with me, so I have my planner has both of these in them. And then if I have all of my stuff with me and I remember to print out pictures, I will do it on the go, but for the most part, it's mainly just in my planner, and I use it at home to do my journaling at home. But this is very pretty. So it's got a lot of like grid pages and then some nice pattern papers on the other side so you can do your layouts. And Christine always gives you, I'll show it to you now since we're talking about it, this here, which gives you like some layout ideas, which is really cool. And shows you how to do it. And she's got several pages with a layout on there and the instructions on how to do it, and it's really nice to have. So far I've done a layout from that every single month that I've gotten this kit, which is now the third month, will be this month. Then you got more rub-ons with some bigger, I like this right here, way more than the other rub-on set because I would use this more than I'm going to use these. So yeah, I like this one. There's that. Then you've got your cards. This is something that comes in every kit. May stories documented. This is nice. There's those, and then you've got more papers, and these papers generally are different than the ones in the planner kit, so if you get both, you're not going to see any repeats here. And they are double-sided, and you get a total of 8, but there's double-sided, so you get each pattern. So I think 8, 1, 2, I'm sorry, 6, not 8, and then those, and then they repeat again. There are your patterns, and next I'm going to do the classified, so this is the planner classified. So if you don't want to see this, now is the time to go away because we're going to open this guy up and see what is in here. So ready, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Oh, that's cool. Make sure it's empty. So first things off, so we got some more of these guys, which I have a ton of these, so more the merrier. Oh, Simon. Yes, I do need all these plants. That is what my dears say. This is my other favorite sheet. The days of the week. This makes me happy, and I love this. Now we have all these little extras on the side here too. That's nice. More deco of plants. I like this one too, because I like these. We got some pockets. I didn't use the pockets from the last one, but I might see if there's a place to put these. We'll see. But there's some pockets. We've got a nice piece of vellum with the foiled green foil in the middle. This great big ring, which you can use for your washi. If you want to take your washi on the go, you can just throw your washi on there and throw it in your bag. Or you can use it to make, I think it's, oh, there's another washi in here. I like that one. The black and white polka dots. I think I saw somebody say something about you could use this for a tag album if you have like the tag, the big giant tags, and then you use this to hold your tag album together. And then your button. Be in the moment. And that is it. So that is everything that came in my Cocoa Daisy kit this month. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking it out. Sorry this is up a little bit late. It has been a super busy month, but I hope I will see you soon. And if you do happen to subscribe and you want to drop my name, we'll both get a little extra to our account where we can add it on later, which comes in really, really handy for those extra kits that come out a couple times a year, which I absolutely love and I always have to get my hands on. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have a fabulous week and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.